Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. How are you? I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. And how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Thank you for asking me.
Yes, yes. And right now, are you at your office or you at your house?
Right now I'm in the office, but no one is here. So now that's
Oh,
why I'm
yes. Yeah, yeah. And how is the practice going on?
yeah, little bit I think improvement because just within of 3 or 4 months I have completed over here. So it's little bit good.
Yes, yes. All right. Ma'am, before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. Yes, so that I can ask any questions about yourself. So before starting our conversation, please say something about yourself.
Okay. My name is Anu Upadhyay. Basically I'm from UP, Balia district. But currently I live in Haryana. I have done graduation. I have done BCom, and now I'm doing work in a CA office as assistant of accountant. And yeah, that's all about me.
Yes, yes. It is good to know about yourself. And may I introduce myself?
Yeah, of course.
First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there around more than 10 years. And I always like playing cricket and football, but right now I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my first generation.
Okay, that's very amazing, sir, because you are doing same time in a to work. You are working in a hospital. Simultaneously, you are running your YouTube channel, and you are helping other person like me. And
Yes, yes.
your English is also you are yeah speaking really well.
Yes, you are right. Actually, speaking is the most important part for learning the language. Always you have to speak regular basis and always you have to open your mouth. That's why whenever I get free time, I always try to connect to another person for my improving my English skill. And ma'am, how much time do you practice every single day?
Yeah, I have been doing practice. Yeah, within a 6 month, I'm regular doing practice regular basis, and every day I listen, read all activity I do.
Yes. But I also like reading. I don't like reading. Yeah, yeah, it's boring to me. I don't like reading. But you also like reading. It is good sign for learning this language. If you read English newspaper, if you read English story book every single day, you will improve faster. And ma'am, you also like reading. But what kind of book do you read for improving English skill?
Yeah, I read online application. I have downloaded Giggle application. Do you know about Giggle? And
Yes,
Giggle
yes,
application we can found over the 200 more than book. I think free of cost. We can read. Sometime I listen, and because I'm also doing job, that's why I don't get too much time in order to learn. So what I do when I put it earphone in my ear, then I started listening,
yes,
and yeah, that's why I'm learning English because I don't do any extra effort for learning English. Because I'm also very I have very work a lot yeah, and every person
yes.
has a 24 hours, and only we have to manage our time.
Yes, actually, listening is the most important part. Yeah, if you are a good listener, one day definitely one day you will be a good speaker. Listening is an art. Yeah, and listening and speaking both are very important because first of all you have to ask yourself one question: how did you learn your native language? Always after listening and after speaking. Yeah, that's why also listening and speaking is the most important part for learning the language. And mama, how many members are there in your family?
Yeah, it's very nice question. I have five member in my family. I have two kids also, my daughter and sons. My husband, along with my younger brother, also live with me, and there are five members right now. Otherwise, my family is very large family, but they live in a village, and yeah.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, first of all, please tell me right now. So you are doing a good job, but why are you learning this language, and who motivated you for learning this language?
Okay, because it was my dream since childhood, not a childhood, but when I study in 10th class, that time, because my brother used to go to take tuition for speaking English, but that time our parents don't allow me to go outside. So I had decided whenever I get opportunity, really I will learn. So maybe after 15 years, yeah, I got
Yes,
this opportunity because earlier I used to also live in a village. So that's why there was a lack of environment. And when I came here in Haryana, uh, I said to my husband, I want to do something. My husband suggested me, what do you want to do? I said, I want to learn computer and speaking. And my husband is very nice person. He support me and he encouraged me. uh, and then I took admission in a coaching center and I learned over there only just grammar rules because everything I had forgotten. Yeah, because it has been long time left my study, but still I started learning English approx. I think more than 1 year. It will take. Yeah, it took time too much, but I started. I doing job, learning everything. I started all activity as yeah same time
yes,
because
yes,
now my children are grown up and now I'm free from their side, so I have a time and I started learning and but I could not speak, so I left. But again, I every time my a thought going on in my mind, how should I learn English? What should I do? And I did many things in order to learn English, but it was totally uh, it's was not helpful for me. But still, when I made a plot, yeah, I have to do, and I strong desire. No, I have to do what will be happen, but I have to learn this type of thinking, and I started speaking self by self, and
yes, yes,
like a crazy, yeah. That time when I
yes,
started learning English, every time, suppose that I'm doing any work, then I started speaking. What will you say in English? Every material, and I started talking with my children also. Come here, go there, sit, and this type of uh, yeah, small sentences. I started speaking. So I really now I can elaborate my thought easily and I can explain anything. Yeah. Still
yes,
I'm learning. Now I am not a good speaker. Still I'm learning.
yes, yes,
Uh,
yes, definitely. And my next question: during your school life at that time, was your school in English medium?
no, because I had completed my education from Hindi medium because UP board.
Hindi medium. Yes, and I my study was in Bengali medium school because I belong to West Bengal, and my all study was Bengali medium school, and that's why also my English was not good during my study. I was very weak in English subject, and you also study your native language school. I know to learn this language always you have to struggle a lot. I have to struggle a lot for learning this language. I belong to village area. There is no good English environment for learning this language. No one speak English in our locality. No one speak English at my house. That's why I had to struggle a lot. And right now, so you are speaking English. You have been learning this language around 3 months. Right now, so you are being able to speak English little bit every single day. You talk to another people for improving English skill. Right now, so you are being able to speak English little bit. But after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Okay. Sorry, repeat again, sir. I didn't get properly.
Yes. Right now, so you are speaking English very well. I am asking you, after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Yeah, because my dream will be fulfilled. Definitely, I will
Yes,
become
yes,
happy because it was my dream, desire, a strong desire to learn English. Because now I'm learning English for the sake of my kids. Yeah, because
yes,
when
yes,
that's why I want to make a good environment for my kids because you know very well there is no environment for speaking. When I will utilize my time in a proper way, proper good manner, definitely my child will be learn from me also. Yeah,
yes, yes,
because mother is a first teacher for children, for their children. So I
yes,
would like to suggest all mother because there is no age limit for learning according to me. Age is
yes,
just
yes,
you can think no, I have completed 40 years, I can't do. Definitely you can't do. But you don't think about yeah, but just you know do focus your aim, your hard working and consistency. I think consistency, yeah, uh, every day if you do make your maintain your consistency, definitely you will be improved. Because it's happened with me because I don't have proper time to learn English because I'm also doing
yes,
job. And but still I every day I listen, I watch one or two video, and that's why now I can elaborate my thought easily, and I can share my experience in front of you because of my strong desire and yeah, it's,
yes, yes. Actually, you can. There is no limit of age for learning this language and for learning this anything. There is. You can learn this language. There is no problem. There is no limit of age. And actually, age is number. Age is number. Yeah. And if you are learning this language for your kids, and if you make this kind of environment at your house, that will be good for your kid. Yeah. So if you speak with your kid in English at your house, they will get good English environment so that they can learn this language very very easily. Yeah, environment is very important for learning this language. But I at that time when I was kid and when I was children, at that time at my house no one speak English. Yeah, no one spoke English. That's why also I had to struggle a lot. And right now for your children, you have to make a good English environment at your house. And ma'am, right now, so you are a working person, you are doing a good job, and at your office, do you speak with your colleague in English?
no sir, because every my colleagues speak in Haryanvi local language because it's every state it's the same condition. Yeah, uh, when I started speaking because my colleagues I think taken leave, she had taken leave from today. That's why now I'm free, and my senior went to outside from office. So in front of them, I can't speak English because I'm learning English one more than 1 year. But I have been doing job here 3 years. Yeah,
Yes.
that's why they don't
Yeah.
know about me. They don't know I can speak English, so I can't speak. Yeah, I don't speak English in front of them. But whenever I get free time, then I started speaking yeah, herself. I started talking because no one can push you. Just you have to do, you have to take action because it's my dream, no? That's why it's not
Yes.
other
Yes.
person's dream. So according to me, no one can push you, no one can encourage you because nowadays everything is totally changed. No one can see you are in growing your life. Yeah, you are doing something good, better way.
Yes,
Just
yes,
they want to pull your leg behind. Yeah. So
yes, yes. You're right. You're right. And ma'am, I would like to ask another question to you. You have a two children, and few minutes ago you have told me. And are they going to English medium school?
yes, they are studying English medium.
Yes. Nowadays, I notice that most of the guardian, most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school. But ma'am, what is the reason behind it? Do you know?
My learning English.
I am asking you. Most of the guardian, most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium course school. But what is the reason?
Yeah, the reason is every person now, if in coming future after I think 5 year, 10 year, it will be every person. No need to take coaching class, extra English effort, extra speaking English. So that's why they are sending because nowadays every person has a money, yeah. But if I
Yes.
talk about my time, yeah, that time was different. We also suffered many things. I think approx. So and that
Yes.
those day there was not a school, English medium school. There was lack of school. But nowadays every school in a English medium. In a small school, if I
Yes.
talk about small and big, all school are running English medium. That's why, and parents also they think I will money for the sake of suppose that you are earning money for the sake of your family, yeah, and for the sake
Yes.
of fulfill their desire, and that's why I have money, so I want to teach them a good education, provide them a good
Yes.
education. That's why.
Yes. And ma'am, I have one more question. And nowadays, I notice that in our locality nowadays there are so many English medium school. But I notice that most of the teacher in the English medium school they always speak they always teach my native language only for read and write in English. But they always teach our native language. But it is not good for our for learning this new language for English medium school. But your children is going to English medium school, and do you know in the school of your children, the teacher always teach English or your native language?
That's good question. For because teacher, like suppose that I'm a teacher, okay, but I don't have knowledge. I can't speak
Yes,
English, and I teach them for a student just because we have been learning English since childhood. Yeah, we can
yes,
consider when you study in first class, second class, you have been reading English since childhood, but still I was not able to speaking. I think that's why
speak.
teacher like same condition. School doesn't matter, but yeah, only they have knowledge of same subject. Okay, but subject knowledge is different, and speaking is different. So
Yes,
there is
yes,
the lack of speaking because it's not piece of cake. Every person can't speak until and unless they don't have desire to learn. They don't want to speak. Otherwise, they can't speak. Yeah, you know very well
yes,
because we have already suffered a lot learning this language. Yeah, because a lack
yes,
of
yes,
environment. But if I will talk about a big school and they have a good teacher, yeah, educated teacher, they can speak English. But if we talk about a small school like 1 to 5th class English medium, they are running school 1 to 8th standard in English medium, but they have lack of teacher and because they provide them a small salary, okay, so it's matter
yes,
a
yes,
lot. But when I get admission in a affiliated CBSE board and we every month spend our children 3,000, yeah, 4,000 in a month, definitely
yes, yes,
they can, yeah. absorb a good environment, and they school also every teacher speak English, because there is a, if my children they will not speak English, they will have to pay what will you say, yeah,
Yes, yes.
extra.
And ma'am, yes, I noticed that one of my friends who is teaching in English medium school. I asked the question to him, and do you teach in English at your school, English medium school? He told me actually when I teach in English at that time student cannot understand. That's why also I don't teach in English. But it is not good. Yeah, always you have to speak in English at your class, and maybe first time or second time student cannot understand and can't understand in your language, but definitely after 1 month they will got your point. Yeah, always you have to speak English at your school, according to me.
Yes, you are right. Because suppose that they don't understand English, leave it. But first speak your native language, what mother tongue, and after that you have to explain English. And first of all, you
Yes,
can
yes,
explain it English, and after that you can translate in your mother tongue, your local language. Yeah, this type of
yes, yes,
activity will have to do for the student, because no one can want to do hard work. Yeah, because if suppose that I can speak Hindi is my mother tongue, I can speak Hindi easily. Why do you take extra effort, doing extra effort in order to learn English? When I will try to learn English, then I will have to learn many vocab, go through many different. I have to keep knowledge everything, every word. So it
yes, yes,
will take time. Yeah, it will take
yes, yes,
time.
definitely. It will take
It's
time. It is second language. Yeah, it is not my mother tongue. Yeah, definitely.
I
All
think
right,
it's
ma'am. Yes,
in
carry
the
on.
it's possible, but it will take time. You should keep patience more and more, and definitely
Yes, yes.
a student will be speak.
Yes, yes. All right, ma'am. It was nice conversation with you. Yeah, you're also speaking English very well. We are talking around 25 minutes. Yeah. Thank you for giving me a valuable time. All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.